Hello everyone. The pups are 16 days old and I'm trying to sneak up on them while they're sleeping, and hopefully I won't wake them. Look how long they are. They're so beautiful. There's Loki. He met his new dad yesterday. Where you going, good girl? That's Lilu. She met her mom yesterday. Looks like those collars are big right now. But truth be told, they are going to grow into them in no time. So much for not waking them up. They know my voice. Hello, babies. Good morning, my sunshines. Come on, you go, girl. Get them legs working. Aren't they just so sweet? Buddy, where do you think you're going? Over the weekend I have the rest of you wonderful people coming to select your pup, and I will have one pup left because due to unforeseen circumstances one of our couples had to decline. What are you talking about? There you go, good girl. Yes, you know who I am. Hello, baby girl. So anyways, back to my last pup available. Most likely will be a female. We'll have to wait to the end and see if it's a black female or a black and tan. But if you know anyone who's interested, I got top of the line, beautiful, healthy, purebred German Shepherd pups with papers. Alright. I'm going to let Shelby in and feed them. Maybe we'll get a, maybe we'll get a view for you to see when Shelby comes in. Come on, Shelby, come feed the babies. Good girl, Mama. Come on, Shelby, lay down. Oh, that's a good girl. There you go. Get in there and get some milk. Look at that. Perfect sunshine shot on your face, beautiful baby. Hey, little mister. Alright, I'm going to stop filming now and help them get over to Shelby so they can have some more milk. But there's the babies. See you later, friends. Bye now.